Meaning of expiry.
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 Expiry. Expiry refers to the date or time when something, such as a contract, license, or product, becomes invalid or no longer effective. For example, when a food item reaches its expiry date, it is no longer safe to consume. Similarly, a driver's license has an expiry date after which it needs to be renewed for the person to continue driving legally. The expiry date serves as a deadline by which the item or agreement must be used or renewed, failing which it becomes void or ineffective. In short, expiry is a term used to indicate the end of validity or usefulness of something.